Good morning, baby. So is this day 2?
You're late. Tell them you're
I'm
late.
a little late. It's because I got a little sick last night, but we're trying to like get over it. And but let's go check the girls. What? Where'd you guys get that? What?
Let's go take it downstairs.
Good morning. Yo, what's up? What's up? I'm just kidding. See? Let me see. What's up? Okay, I'm following you. Where you going? Wait, no, you need to do your hair first. Then you'll show me. Come on. Okay, so mommy's getting the girls ready, as always, because I don't have hair. So I don't know how to do hair. She has hair.
I don't have hair.
Hey, then what is this? When today, Milani?
To the zoo.
To the zoo. Are you ready for that?
Yeah.
Yeah?
But can I show something?
Sure, you can show me something. Come on, let's go.
I'll say to Sam.
Shazam? Okay, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Shazam!
Oh, where are we, Milani? What? Did you get Easters already? Did the Easter bunny come and visit you? What? No way, Milani. And whose is that? Oh, that's Lulu's. Oh, that's super cool. Well, good morning. You ready to go to the farm?
No, we're going to the zoo.
Oh, to the zoo, I mean. Oh, hey there, little. Oh, never mind. Bye. Thank you. All right. Second day here. Hey, Bootnang. Ready to go to the zoo? Yeah. She's like, yeah. Still day 2. Mary Lou, why aren't you feeding the goats? Mary Lou's a little intimidated by the goats. I mean, how can you not? Look at his beard. Look at his big beard. You see his beard? Like Daddy's?
Well, what's so funny? You want to die an old man?
You want to get into the bunny? Okay, we'll go to the bunny right now. So, there's an Easter egg here in this little petting zoo. Chicken on a tree. You won't see this in Cali, man. What are we doing? Yeah. Oh, you're feeding me? It's so funny. Say zoo. Go put your head through there. Oh, look at the zebra and the tortoise. Hi there. What are your guys' names? Mary Lou the zebra and Milani the tortoise. What'd you learn so far? Huh? You forgot everything? Oh my goodness. What do you guys think? 1 out of 10. 10 out of 10, I think so too. Do you like it? Okay, let's go get the food then. Duh. Come on. Okay, so it's still day 2. We're finishing up the farm a bit, or the little zoo. Dude, it was so cool. What'd you think about the zoo, boo?
It was so cool.
What was your favorite animal? Don't lie to me.
The owl is me.
The owl. What about you, Dave? Any favorites?
Yeah, I had a
I
favorite.
feel like you weren't that amazed by any of them.
I live with Samantha.
What about you, Eddie? What's your favorite?
I'm at home.
Oh,
I mean,
This is
this is my life.
you come here and sleep sometimes even. Yeah.
I sleep with the wolves and the lynx.
Right, right. And they respect you.
Sounds can travel over a mile away.
What do you guys think?
For our emus and many of you.
The llamas don't follow. Look, I think he's gonna pop up right now. Just stop right there. I'm gonna go ahead over a little bit.
Oh, he's still going.
He's like, where y'all from, huh?
From here, it smells like something else.
Excuse me.
What do you guys think? Excuse me. Can you move out my way, sir? Get out. Oh no.
Look at that buffalo, though.
Where is it? Oh, back there.
This guy.
You gotta hear what are you gonna do about that, babe? What are you gonna do?
Taco. Hey, boy. How are you, Papa? You're so cute. I missed you. Ready, girls? Let's go. So this is Dave and Eddie's backyard. Look at this. All of this, man. Acres, 30 acres in total, plus the house. It's just a bunch of stuff to do here. Woo. There's my old dog, so I missed him. Okay, still day 2, guys. I'm hiding from my dog. Taco, come here, boy. Let's see if he finds me. Oh, I think he found me. Yeah, there's no hiding from him. Hey there, boy.
I love Taco.
Yeah? When was the last time you saw Taco?
When I was a little girl.
Yeah. You happy to see him again? Yeah, it's been so long, huh? Come on, let's go. Let's go, boy.
I want to take a picture with Taco.
Wait, also.
Hey. Taco, come here, boy.
Taco, come here. Taco. 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 Come here.
Taco, come here, boy.
Come here.
Up here. Up here. Up here, Papa.
Up here. I'm too small.
What are we doing? Huh?
She's walking me like she's dangerous.
You're dangerous? Are you dangerous, Melanie? Ah, look at that. Oh, snap. Okay, so just came back from that mighty hike. How you feeling, boo?
Good.
Wasn't that? I mean, it was pretty long,
It was a long.
but it was fun.
It was a good one.
We saw Taco. Melanie, you saw Taco?
Do not worry. Be happy.
To your left. Yeah. Okay, yeah. You're like going down the stairs like this, huh? Kind of holding up the traffic. Even though there's no traffic.